Well, hello everyone, it's me Shenell here, and today I have just a quick little do-it-yourself project that you could do, anyone could do, and it's simple and very easy, and it's just using some simple old doors. You can find old doors at salvage yards, off your old kitchen cabinets maybe, or a neighbor's kitchen cabinets. You can also locate them very reasonably priced at the Habitat for Humanity, which is where I located my old doors. And they were actually not old doors, they're actually very new doors, and they were just priced 97 cents each. And I use it to make a quick tray. And I'm going to show you all the elements that I use to make this quick little tray, and also to use it in the kitchen for the kitchen countertop. Again, this is a very simple project, and I'm pretty sure many of you have probably seen it already around YouTube, all over the DIYs or do-it-yourself projects, however you want to call it or name it. But it's a very simple project, and it's something that you could use right here in your kitchen. You can also use it on your tables, on your buffets, when serving dinner, lunch, brunch, breakfast, whatever it is, or you can use it for breakfast in bed. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this quick little tutorial on making your own tray. So here again, you need to use some spray paint, or you can just use regular can paint and brush it on. And I use this Rust-Oleum in a satin finish. Here is the legs, well, the candlestick tops that I use. They are actually taper candle holders, and you could place them on a piece of wood. And this is the glue gun, of course, you will need to glue them on, and a handle that I purchased again from Hobby Lobby, 50% off. Old door, again from Habitat for Humanity, and you can find them in several different places and use them for the tray. And you will need some clear paint to add a clear coat onto your painted surface, just to seal it. And I use this Krylon satin finish. And then we get started with the doors. And first, as you can see here, it was in the raw, and I painted the door the white finish. And here I'm just going in with my drill bit to drill a pilot hole to put the screw inside. And that makes it much easier to place the screw inside if you drill a pilot hole first. And of course you'll need a drill. And then I drilled my holes, as you can see, in the wood after I measured the distance between holes in the handle, of course. And of course you see I have paint on me because I'm always working, doing something. And then just manually placing the screws, getting them started inside. And here you can see the finished product. Well, not quite finished. I thought again, kick it up a notch, so I added the legs. And as you can see here, it was this package of the candlestick holders, and it was a 6-pack, and of course I only needed 4. And I painted them and also clear coated them with the satin finish in the Krylon as well. Here we use the glue gun, and you just place some glue on the bottom of the legs, and then just pop them right on to the tray, the bottom of the tray. As you can see, I have it flipped over. We just have the finished product, and I'll let you continue to watch as we finish up. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on putting together you a DIY tray for your kitchen counter, adding the leg and the handles that we use that we purchased from Hobby Lobby. And again, you use your half off coupon. So I hope you again enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you in the next one.